Vodka Jerky. I didn't put in tequila or mirin or brown sugar, which the other recipe called for, but this is my recipe. There's lots of things I didn't put in it. Hey everybody, welcome to Chef Dad's Meat Market, and this is vodka jerky. So we got our eye of rounds that we're gonna slice up. We don't need all that fat there. And this is just about 4.5, 5 pounds of ground eye that we're gonna make into jerky. And I thought about getting the slicer out, but I'm not gonna. So we're just gonna try and make these even cuts. And we're gonna go for about that thick. And we just took these out of the freezer so that we could slice them easier. You want to cut them about 1/4 inch thick. It's all going to depend on how long you smoke them for. We're not going to put these ones in the dehydrator. These are going to be smoked. Pile of meat. Don't want all that fat on there. Trim it off. We can always take this and use it to make burgers, or maybe the pepperoni that we're going to make later. Could cut it with the grain and make it day-long jerky and take you all day to chew one. But so now that we got it all cut up, transfer it over to this bag to fill the seasonings, or to make the marinade cover everything. So we're going to use a bag. We're going to go in with about 3/4 of a cup of some vodka. Oops, a little extra. Yeah, we went in with 1 cup of vodka. Soy sauce. There we go, there's 3/4 of a cup. Now we're going to go in with some Worcestershire. We're going to go for 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup of Worcestershire. We're also going to do 1/4 cup of honey. Oh yeah, that's some thick honey. So we want 2 teaspoons of garlic, 2 teaspoons smoked morel salt, 2 teaspoons of some onion powder, red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon. We're going to go a little heavy on it. And that's it, other than some cure. Cure is optional. You can risk it if you want. I'm not going to risk it. I want to keep everybody safe. So we're going to go in with some pink cure salt, number 1, about a teaspoon per 5 pounds. I'm going to mix it up and let it sit for 24 hours, and then we'll smoke it. So I just want to make sure everything gets mixed up good. I don't think I've ever seen vodka used in jerky before. It's going to be a first, and it's going to be amazing. Once you're sure that you've got it covered everywhere throughout, set it out flat, and we're going to put it out in the fridge. Well, this is what the vodka jerky looks like after about 24 hours. It's got this beautiful color to it, and it definitely got quite a bit more tender. We're going to get it spread out, dried off, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to put it on some racks and get it smoking. It smells really good. I'd say this kind of has a carne asada smell to it. We're gonna get these outside, try and weave our way past the monster dogs over here. If you want to take a look. Right now we've got the smoker set at 160 degrees. And we're just gonna let these go for as many hours as it takes. I'm excited for these. Now we'll get them closed up, let them smoke away. We're gonna go take a look at the vodka jerky and see how it's going. It's been 3 hours. Here's what it looks like. Oh yeah, it's looking really nice. Looking really nice. You know what? I'm gonna try it. That tastes really good. Wow. We'll take another look in a few hours. So the vodka jerky is done to exactly where we want it to be. We decided that we wanted them a little bit tender, so we're going to end up pulling them now. We're just going to peel all these trays off. Gorgeous. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe. And remember to hit that notification bell. And please let everybody, all of your friends know that we're getting more and more videos posted all the time. with some amazing recipes.